Hybrid rice technology is a very feasible and proven technology for increasing the rice production and productivity of our country. At present, it is under cultivation in around 3 million hectares and is approximately 5% of the rice cultivation area of our country. The area under hybrid rice needs to be increased to about 6 to 8 million hectares in the coming years for increasing the rice production. This will be possible only if its cultivation is extensively taken up in South Indian states where rice productivity is high. However, the technology is not becoming popular in this region because of grain type preferences. Here, the preference is for fine grain rices, whereas the majority of the released rice hybrids have either long bold or long slender grain type. Keeping this in view, research efforts at Indian Institute of Rice Research were focused on the development of suitable parental lines that help in the development of fine grain rice hybrids. As a result of almost 2 decades of focused research efforts, this institute has developed a fine grain rice hybrid DRRH3 for the first time. After getting it tested in national trials for 3 years during 2005 to 2007, and based on its significant yield advantage over the very popular variety BP25204, it was released for commercial cultivation in 2009 for the states of Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. It has yielding capacity of 6 to 6.5 tons per hectare and out-yielded the Czech BP25204 by over 30% in the ACRIP trials and has a duration of 130 days, almost 2 weeks earlier than BP25204. Hence, its per day productivity is very high. It has medium slender grain type with high milling and head rice recovery, intermediate amylose content, and cooking quality is similar to that of BP25204. It is resistant to neck blast, moderately resistant to leaf blast, rice tungro, and brown spot diseases. To popularize this hybrid with farming community, our institute has signed MOAs, Memoranda of Understanding, with 11 private seed companies for its large-scale seed production and popularization.